What's going on, folks? This is Pete from Record, Upload, Repeat. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe. So today, what are we doing? We're having some good old fun, just like a little kid in a field. I got this off wish.com for $17, and we're going to see how well it flies and how well I can fly it. So let's see what happens, folks. Let's see what happens. Let's do it.
Alright, we're recording.
Alright, so there's a little bit of wind. We're in this huge field. If you want to show the field a little bit, this is where we were playing baseball and stuff.
Right over there.
Alright. And it's not working. That's good. There we go. Good. Alright, so we had some technical difficulties here. So, right, left, and then this is the throttle. So, what it wants you to do, I guess for easier takeoff, it might get lost in the sun, but
yeah,
it kind of just wants you to throw it like a paper airplane, so you might want to back up a little bit.
Alright.
See what happens.
At least it's yellow so you can see it. Oh, there it goes. Oh. And it crashed.
Hold on. You recording?
Yep. Goodbye. Oh, shit. Here we go.
Wait.
We're going. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh. I got that on film. I hear it. Wait, where is it? Stop. It's right there. I'll get it. Film it. Play with the propeller.
Alright, here we go. She's gonna attempt climbing here. Actually, she's doing a really good job. Oh yeah, you got it. And if you could see it, it's like right up there. Oh, you got it. That's awesome. Nice. So folks, we really have not been having some good luck with this thing.
I got cut too.
Oh, is it really bad?
I'm fine. Little
that's not
boo-boo
bad.
there to getting the plane.
So let's give this a couple more tries, shall we? Just like the children that we are. Alright, let's see. I'm trying it a little slower now.
Oh, it landed.
No, you know what? I think this may have better. Ready?
Mm-hmm. The wind's picking up. Hey. Alright, a little better.
Uh-oh. Oh my God. Oh,
that was our best one.
Let's see.
Here we go.
Oh,
Ah.
nosedive.
Good one.
Should I back up? No, let me back up. You're not recording, right?
I know. He is not doing that, folks.
That's how strong the wind is on its own.
It's not even that like crazy windy. It's just this thing's made out of foam. I guess you'll be all right.
On its own, without doing anything?
I know. I don't know. It's just not windy right now. Well, it sort of is, but
Are you recording?
yeah. Let it glide with the wind. Goodbye.
Alright, so no, it definitely helps. Oh baby, come on. Yeah. Oh.
That was good. That was
Getting
great.
better, getting. Oh yeah. Yes, come on. Oh.
I got that.
You did?
Good job.
Alright, so we moved to the back of the school. My sister's over there. She's gonna give it a try here. Let's see how it does. Go for it. Alright. So far so good. There we go again. Full throttle.
I'm doing full throttle.
Alright, here we go again. Alright, she's gonna try one more time. Turn left. There we go. There we go. Nice. All right, trying it from this angle. We're trying to reduce the wind with the building. Ooh, what? Oh, no. Oh, I think something cracked. All right, folks, let me fix my hat so I look real cool. And the battery died on the plane, so we're gonna call it quits. We lost a wheel right there. Well, the wheel we have, but the piece that holds the wheel is gone. But anyway, folks, thank you for joining us. Today's secret comment code is gonna be yellow plane. Comment that down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. My name is Pete from Record, Upload, Repeat, and I have a sweaty hat. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.